Good evening, second English students, and in this video, we will continue the topic comedy. Okay, so this video is on the paper literary forms and Unit 4 drama, and the topic is going to be comedy. So, what do you mean by comedy? Comedy drama, comedy play. See, remember the most important point in a tragedy is that the hero or the heroine dies in the end. Okay, that is another most important feature in a tragedy. The lead protagonist, the lead hero, dies in a tragedy. But in case of comedy, it is not so. Moreover, it should have a happy ending. Okay, so that is the most important feature of a comedy. The ending should be comedy. Okay. But predominantly it should have comic scenes. Okay, so that is to be a comedy. A comedy is a play of light and amusing character with a happy conclusion to the plot. It adopts a humorous or familiar style and depicts the laughable characters, incidents, and situations. In a comedy, even if there are serious and complex incidents, ultimately they are resolved and the plot ends in happiness. Okay, so a comedy is a play of light and amusing character with happy conclusion. Amusing, interesting, entertaining, okay, and a happy ending. Okay, so that is the most important feature of a comedy. And it adopts a humorous and familiar style and laughable characters. So it adopts laughable characters and humorous incidents and situations. This is another most important feature of a comedy. And then in a comedy, even if there are serious and complex incidents, ultimately the plot ends in happiness. Of course, in some comedies there could be some serious scenes, but the ending is the ending should have happiness. Okay, so these are the important features of comedies. Like tragedy, comedy also originated. We shall discuss further more about comedies. Like tragedy, comedies also originated in Greece from a festival celebrating nature god Dionysus. While tragedy dealt with persons in high places, comedy dealt with people of much less importance. Among the Greeks, Aristophanes was the most important comedy writer. So, like tragedy also, comedy also originated in Europe. In Europe, comedy also originated from Greece, and when they have local festival celebrating the nature god Dionysus, they along with the tragedies, comedy plays was also enacted. Okay, and the most important difference between comedy and tragedy is that the characters of the lead protagonist, the hero, is of noble person. Okay, he is from high place and was noble person. But in case of comedy, they are all common people having common weaknesses and common problems. Okay, so this is another interesting feature of a comedy. While tragedy deals with a noble person and a man of valor and a great king and rich people. But in case of comedy, they deal with the common people with the common weaknesses and but not of much heroism. The characters, the lead protagonists, there is nothing interesting to be in the characters. They are all common people and with the common follies and greatness. Okay, and so this is another important feature of comedy. And the next one. The great Greek comedy writer is Aristophanes. Okay, and next one, the atmosphere of comedy is mist and light. Comedy moves us to laughter through humorous intrigues, strange situation, and witty dialogues. The atmosphere of comedy is mirthful and light. Okay, see, if a character is beating another character, the acting performance, the presentation, the way of narration is full of comedy. Okay, see, even if you take a movie, when comedians are get lots of beatings and or scoldings, then it is comedy. If the hero gets beatings or scolding, then it is a tragedy or serious scene. Okay. So how do we get the serious scene? Because he is the lead character, and the acting performance, how it is presented to the audience. Okay, and so based on that, audience get the same concept of the character gets lots of beating or scolding. How it is presented, how the character, the beating of character, the scolding of the character is presented to the audience. Okay, so based on the acting performance, the scene is made a serious scene or comedy scene. So how it is presented, how mirthful the atmosphere is presented to the audience, the comedy is done, and the incident should be comedy, and strange incident and witty incident, and above all, the dialogue should provoke laughter. Okay, so based on this, comedy is done, and comedy shows the common errors of life and ridicules man's follies and foibles. Comedy is usually allowed to convey its own moral through its, though it is sometimes stated at the end of the play by one of the characters. So comedy shows common errors of life, the mistakes which often we do or others do, and the mistakes we ourselves would laugh at. Okay, so sometimes we forget some points or something. Okay, and if we forget something and we laugh at ourselves, some silly mistakes. Okay, we do, and because of that we ourselves would laugh at ourselves. Okay, so such things, and in case of tragedies, they take serious thing, killing or murdering something. It is actually a very serious thing. But if we forget some name of person, and if we confuse one person with other person, for that we laugh at ourselves. Okay, so that is the atmosphere of comedy, and there are common errors. Okay, so they are all mistaking the name of one person with other person. There are common errors which we ourselves would often do, and it is exaggerated, and that's how comedy works. That's how comedy works out. Okay, and so it shows common errors of life and ridicules man's follies and foibles. We ourselves not only forgetting some kind of not like evil, unacceptable behavior we often do. Okay, and there are follies, and that is what ridiculed in comedies. And often comedies would tell moral messages, maybe in the middle or at the end of the play. So this is another feature in ancient comedies. Okay, and next one, comedy can be divided into two types: classical and romantic. So like tragedy, comedy is also divided as classical comedy and romantic comedy. The classical form was based on Greek and Latin models. So what are the comedies which say as the classical comedy? The model, the pattern which the Greek and Latin playwright followed. Okay, so even in comedies also, the three units are followed: unity of time, place, and action. Okay, in case of even comedies also, the Greek and Latin model, Aristotle also gave the same rule, that is, and the play should follow the three units: the unity of time, place, and action. So unity of place, already I told you, again let me repeat it. So unity of place, all the incidents should take place in a single place. All scenes should happen in all characters. The character can come and go, but the place should not change. Okay, so that is unity of place, and the unity of time. the story of the play should take place within 24 hours of time. Okay, so that is unity of time, and unity of action is, since it is a comedy from the beginning till the end, there should only there should be only comedy scenes, and not even a single serious scene should be included. Okay, so even a single line or single character is deleted, the whole structure of the play is collapsed. Okay, so audience should not say that this scene is unnecessary scene, this character is unnecessary character. Likewise, audience should not say all characters play a significant role, and all scenes and all dialogues, all words should be vital in the play. Okay, so that is unity of action, and even comedies also this should be followed, and that's how Greek and Latin playwright wrote comedies. And so if and another rule set by Aristotle was this: in case of tragedy, it cleanses the human emotions. Since the great man himself is died in such a horrible way, and because he had a simple and small flaw, because of the flaw, he met with such a horrible death, that is his life is in tragedy. Okay, therefore we as common people should be very aware with life, and we should lead a moral way of life. Okay, that is in case of a tragedy. But what Aristotle says about gives the rule for comedy is that in case of a comedy, the character should be foolish, and he should be like a common man. Okay, a common man may have greatness as well as foolishness, and especially lots of follies. Okay, lots of flaws he will have. Okay, there is nothing said to be an endearing. Okay, the liking features of the characters. This character is such a fool, and this character does lots of mistakes in his life. Okay, since he does lots of mistakes in his life, and he suffers in life, and because of that, audience should laugh. Okay, so since the comedy should be mostly the comedy should be written on evil or bad people. Okay, that's what Aristotle says. Since the lead protagonist himself is bad and he suffers, and because since he does all kinds of foolish and all kinds of evil things in his life, and he suffers. Okay, therefore he deserves this punishment, and because of that, audience should laugh. This is the concept of a comedy. Okay, and after watching this, this character, this protagonist does all kinds of evil and foolish things in his life, foolish things in his life, and therefore he suffers, and therefore I get thorough laughter, and I should not do such kind of foolish ideas and evil or immoral way of life. Okay, so that should be the concept of tragedy said by Aristotle. Okay.